Let me show you how to connect an insightful pipe MCP server to Claude Code. First, make sure you have Claude Code installed on your machine. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and do that first. Here, on the connection guide, you can see the MCP server URL and the command you need to run. I'll copy this command and paste it in my terminal. Now I'll paste the command and press enter. You'll see a confirmation message that the MCP server has been added successfully. Next, let's open Claude Code. I'll type Claude and press enter. Now I'll type /MCP to open the MCP servers panel. Here you can see our Facebook Ads MCP server. It needs authentication, so I'll select it and click Authenticate. A browser window will open for authentication. I'll log in and authorize Claude Code to access my Facebook Ads account. I'll click Authorize Access to grant the permissions. Authentication successful. Now let's go back to Claude Code. And there we go. The Facebook Ads MCP server is now connected and ready to use. That's it.